How to create animated stickers on WhatsApp. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and use your very own animated stickers on WhatsApp. Whether you want to add a personal touch to your chats or just have fun, this guide will walk you through it step by step, so let's jump in right in. First things first, make sure you've got WhatsApp installed on your phone. And let's get started on creating your animated stickers. Open your WhatsApp app. Go to the chat where you want to send the sticker to. Now here, as you can see a text box. Simply click on it. Beside that, you can see an icon. Simply tap on it. It's a sticker icon. To create or send a animated sticker, you can simply click on the GIF part, and here you can see various options that you can find. Now, if you want to search or you can want to create your own, what you need to do is simply click on the sticker icon again. Scroll up and you can see create option. Simply tap on it. Now it will take you to your gallery option. From here you can choose your own animated sticker by simply choosing your own pictures, and that's it. That's how you can simply create your own animated stickers for WhatsApp.